Hi, my name is Matt Clark, and my partner Daryl and I own a small digital advertising and web development firm here in Detroit, Michigan. I was just on Upwork and I noticed your ad or request for bid for website design and development. And I've taken a look at your requirements document here. Your priorities are mobile responsive, presenting the content and information in intuitive navigation structure, and etc. I love that you gave me a new sitemap, although I have a couple of comments on it. So I visited broadbranchadvisors.com and I wanted to kind of cover a few bases here. One thing I would say is that the way you present, say, strategy, transactions, and ventures, that's ideal. So at times in this site, I feel that there is too much text, and you throw a lot of text at someone at one time, and they tend to gloss over instead of reading the specifics, like on the bio page. Let me show you what we did on a similar site called midnightfg.com, which is a kind of a similar consultative agency. Just waiting for it to load here. It's Midnight Financial Group. So, mission statement at the top. Midnight Financial Group stands ready to help you optimize your wealth preservation strategy so that you and your family can enjoy a brighter tomorrow. So recapitulate the mission statement with a little statement of value. If you notice, we organize the structure of the landing page so that we present a thought, then we present a heading and another thought, then we present a heading and another thought. And from a developmental perspective, that's very valuable. Let me show you how I handled our team. So the content is very well organized, and there's a well, I'm just waiting for it to load. There's an overlay, a jQuery overlay that flips over with the contact information. We find that to be very elegant and effective. In terms of our process, here's another sort of interactive, and it's based on the idea of midnight, right? So when you reach midnight, you had a brighter tomorrow. So discovery, initial call with advisor to discuss client and goals, design, preliminary spreadsheet, etc. So you go all the way around until you hit your end result. So the other thing I would say here is that you need a more compelling call to action on each page. So even right here from the get-go, there should be an ability to reach out and talk to an advisor. Probably after capabilities and with the team, there should be a link or contact information. You have connect on LinkedIn here. So not bad. I love that you have an organized scope of work. It makes our job a lot easier. What I'd like to invite you to do is give us a call at 313-687-7507 and ask to speak to Matt or Daryl. I'd like to set up a screen sharing session with you, a GoToMeeting, where we can go over this a bit more from the technical or developmental perspective, including the timeline, probably about a week or less, depending on the phases or revisions of the project. I would say the first milestone is that we pick a framework, which could be custom or a purchase theme. I have some great thoughts about that. So we're a big proponent of the Bootstrap framework, both for its mobile device savvy and SEO friendly layout. Some of the templates that you purchase tend to be a bit bloated, and they have excessive non-compliant code, which can really slow things down. So address possession and ownership of the website once completed. I think that's super important. And in answer to your question, yes, you own it. One of the fundamentals in our industry is whoever owns the server owns the website. So we're willing to send or to fill out whatever form, to sign any legal form, the waiver of ownership that you can provide. But we always insist that our clients use their own hosting. We recommend Bluehost. We recommend 1&1, among others. And the reason for this is that in reality, if you own the hosting and own the domain, then you own the site. But like I say, that's something we can discuss as well. So give me a call if you can at 313-687-7507. Ask for Matt or Daryl, and I'd love to get this project started for you. Thanks.